Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are going to talk about how to repair boot's file system issues. We first made a faulty boot by using this command. To the FSTAB. So with that, we then do a reboot. Once the system is reboot, we have this prompt here. We type in the root password, and first we mount the file system. We will rewrite to root. Then do attempt of a mount all files, and there's a wrong entry, you can find it. So edit the entry with double D and do a escape :WQ to remove the entry. So the entry is missing now. And before we reboot, do a system daemon, reload, do a mount all again. Now there's no error, and do a reboot. After the reboot, system is back to normal.